get this one. Sometimes your left arm is not going around the anti-spin portion of the circle as big as other times. Like instead of doing out, up, and over, and then reversing, right? Instead of doing that, you're doing like this instead of this. So you go bottom here, and it's like really small as opposed to like a big range of motion. And the plan, and then the thing after that was we were looking at two of the 2 verse 4 patterns. So from a naming convention perspective, when I am doing a 2 versus 4, that means my left hand is doing 2, right? Bum, bum. And my right hand is doing 4. Versus if I'm doing a 4 by 2, with a 4 by 2, my left hand does the 4, my right hand does the 2. So if it's on the left side, that's what the left hand does, and if it's on the right side, that's what the right hand does. Let us work first on the 2 verse 4. So if I do it so that you are seeing me back view, if you're coming from this thing, what will end up happening is you'll be in this direction where the left hand is overhand and the right hand is underhand. And so from here, your left hand would go down and your right hand would go up in the 4 pedal on the right and the 2 pedal on the left. So this is the 1. And then if you come back to the front into your 4 versus 0 reversal, where you're switching which hand is doing the 4 and which hand is doing the 0, and then you turn to your right, you'll end up in this direction where the right hand is overhand, the left hand is underhand, and then your left hand goes up and your right hand goes down. So the one way to think about it, there are many, one way to think about it is the hand that is on the audience side, when you turn, goes up, and the other hand goes down. So the audience hand always goes up. So if I turn, if I'm to here, or if I'm here and I turn to my right, like this, the left is going to go up. You're here with the right hand underhand and the left hand overhand. You're going to bring the left one down while the right one goes up. Yes. Into this one. Okay, so let's stop again. Let's just come from an underhand butterfly just to make it easy. So I want you to come from an underhand butterfly, turn, flip the left poi. Don't push the right poi out to the side so you don't have to change the plane that it's on. And then bring the left one down and the right one up. Underhand butterfly. Separate the arms, flip the left one to the back, bring the left one down, the right one up. You're doing this, guy. Now I want you to come back to the front into your underhand opposite butterfly. We're not even going to add the 0 pedal verse 4 pedal in there. And then we'll separate again, bring the left one back behind, and then left one down, right one up. And I just want to move from this coming back into the butterfly for 4 counts, 3, 2, 1, then separate, go into the flower, and then go into the flower 4 times, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to come back to the front in the butterfly. 4, 3, 2, 1, open it up, and 4v2, or sorry, 2v4, and 3, and 4, and turn to your right, come back into the underhand opposite butterfly, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn left, and 2v4, 2, and 3, and 4, turn back to the right into the underhand opposite butterfly, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn left, 2v4, and 4, 3, 2, and last one, and come back into your underhand opposite butterfly. On this side, when we do it, it's going to be like this. The left hand is back here in underhand. The right hand is in front here. And for this one, the left goes up, the right goes down, and we'll do the 4 pedal with the left as we do the 2 pedal with the right. which you seem to have no problem with. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn left into the underhand opposite butterfly for 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the right, left back, right front, and bring the left one up while the right one goes down. 4, 3, and 2. And last one, turning left, coming back into the underhand opposite butterfly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the right, left back, right front, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and turn left into the butterfly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn right and left up, and 3, and 2, and 1. Back to the underhand opposite butterfly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the right, left back, right front, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now we're going to turn back to the butterfly, and then we'll turn to the left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bring the left one down instead of up on this side. And 2 more. Last one, come back to the underhand opposite butterfly for 4, 3, 2. Turning to the right and left up. And 3, and 2, and 1. And now turning to the left for 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn left and left down. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Come back to the front into the underhand opposite butterfly. 4, 3, 2. Turning right and left back. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. And now enter into that 4 versus 0 as you turn. And then as you enter into that, get ready to turn to the left. And then come into the 2v4. 3, and 4. Turn back to the right into the 4v2. And then get ready to turn to the right and go into the 4v2 here. And then we'll turn to the left. And then we're going to turn to the left again into v4 and 3 and 4. Back, turn to the right